Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the essential building blocks of code. We'll be exploring what are programming fundamentals. Think of these concepts, variables, logic, and loops, as the foundation for any code you'll write. Understanding them is the key to becoming a confident programmer. Let's get started. A great way to think about programming fundamentals is to imagine them as the foundation of a house. Just like a house needs a solid foundation, every program relies on key elements like variables, logic, and loops. These aren't just technical terms, they are the core ideas that allow you to give instructions to a computer. Let's start with the first piece of our foundation, variables and data types. A variable is simply a container that holds a value. It has a name and a specific type of data it can hold. For example, age might hold a number like 25, name holds text like Alex, and a variable called is_online might hold a true or false value, like true. These simple containers allow us to store and manipulate information in our code. Next up is a concept known as control flow, and we'll begin with conditionals, if/then. Conditionals allow your program to make decisions. As shown in our flowchart, the program asks a question, or a condition, like, is it raining? If the answer is yes, it takes one action. If the answer is no, it takes a different action. This simple logic is the basis for all decision-making in code. Another critical part of control flow is loops. Loops allow us to repeat a block of code multiple times without having to write it over and over. This is incredibly useful for automating repetitive tasks. Instead of giving the same command 5 times, we can simply put it in a loop and tell the program to run it 5 times. It saves time and makes our code much more efficient. Moving on, we have functions, reusable code. Think of a function as a small, self-contained machine that takes inputs, performs an action, and then gives an output. For instance, we could create a function called add_numbers, that takes two numbers, like 2 and 3, adds them together, and returns the result, which is 5. Functions help us organize our code and avoid repeating ourselves. An important type of data structure is called a list. A list is a simple way to store multiple values in a single variable. It's like a list of items on a grocery list. Here you can see a list of colors. Colors equals red, green, blue. We can access a specific item by its position, starting from 0. So colors, 0, would give us red. Now that we've covered the basics, let's try putting it all together. This code snippet uses a loop to go through a list of numbers. For each number, it uses a conditional if/else statement to check if it's greater than 10 and prints a different message based on the result. This is a simple but powerful example of how variables, loops, and conditionals all work together to create a functional program. You've learned the fundamentals, so here are your next steps to get started. First, choose a simple project, like building a calculator. Second, try to write your first function. And third, experiment with if/else statements to get comfortable with them. The best way to learn is by doing, so don't be afraid to start coding. I hope you feel more confident about the building blocks of programming. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow and subscribe for more AI insights and tips. We have plenty more great content coming your way. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you next time.
All right, everyone, that wraps up another valuable session here at ScriptDataInsights. We truly hope you found today's content insightful and immediately applicable to your work or studies.
If you haven't already, now is the perfect moment to join our growing community. Hit that subscribe button right now and become part of a family dedicated to learning and growth. Don't miss out on any of our future tips and tutorials.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more learners just like you. And if you know someone who could benefit from these insights, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Spread the knowledge, empower more people.
We absolutely love hearing from you. What were your biggest takeaways from today's video? Do you have any questions or perhaps a topic you'd like us to cover next? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. We read every single one, and your feedback helps us create even better content for you.
And the learning doesn't stop here. For daily bites of wisdom, quick hacks, and behind-the-scenes content, make sure you're following us on all our social media channels. You can find us everywhere as at ScriptDataInsights. Let's stay connected.
Ready to dive deeper? We've handpicked some fantastic videos we think you'll love. Click on either of them to continue your learning journey and explore more powerful techniques.
Remember, at ScriptDataInsights, our mission is to help you continuously upgrade your skills and unlock new opportunities. Consistency is key, and every little bit of learning adds up to significant growth.
Thank you so much for being a part of our community. Your dedication to learning truly inspires us. We're excited to see what you'll achieve. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye for now.